Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about noun clauses. First of all, a dependent clause contains a subject and a verb or verb phrase, but does not express a complete thought. As a result, it can stand alone as a sentence. Knowing this, what is a noun clause? A noun clause is a dependent clause that acts as a noun. Noun clauses begin with the words such as how, that, what, whatever, when, where, whether, which, whichever, who, whoever, whom, whomever, and why. Noun clauses can act as subjects, direct objects, indirect objects, predicate nominatives, or objects of a preposition. Here we can see two examples. Whoever thought of the idea is a genius. It contains the subject whoever and the verb thought. The clause acts as a subject in the sentence. My greatest asset is that I am a hard worker. It contains the subject I and the verb am. The clause acts as a predicate nominative in the sentence, identifying a set. Now, parts of a noun clause. Subject. It is what the clause or sentence is about. The subject is often, not always, the thing performing the action of the verb. Who the thieves robbed is still a mystery. The verb. It is an action word or a state of being word. Here we have two examples. You may take whichever cookie you want. The noun clause is whichever cookie you want, containing the verb want. The next example, morning time, is when I feel most energetic. The noun clause is when I feel most energetic, and the verb is feel. Now, types of noun clauses. Let's take a look at how noun clauses are used. As subjects, whoever leaves last should turn off the lights. The sentence is about whoever leaves last. Whoever leaves last is also the person performing the action of turning off the lights. So, the noun clause is the subject of the sentence. As objects. First, we have that objects are words that, let's say, receive another part of the sentence. There are three types of objects. Direct objects, that are the ones that receive the action of the verb. For example, my dog will eat whatever food I give him. The noun clause here would be whatever food I give him, answering the question, eat what? Now we have indirect objects that receive direct objects. The judges will award whichever painting they like the most the blue ribbon. Here, the noun clause is receiving the direct object, blue ribbon, receiving the verb award. Then objects of preposition receive prepositions. I want to play with whoever is good at sports. The noun clause is receiving the preposition with. Now, as complements. These give more information about a noun. it always follows a state of being verb, like is, are, will be, was, were. For example, in the first sentence we have, the winner will be whoever gets the most votes. The noun clause here is a complement because it gives more information about the winner. In the second sentence, we have, my hope is that everyone here becomes friends. Here, the noun clause is a complement because it tells more about the verb hope. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned a little bit more about noun clauses.